In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Teams link to every Outlook meeting. If you're tired of manually adding a Microsoft Teams link each time you schedule something, this quick setting in Outlook will handle it for you automatically. And we'll do this in Outlook on the web. And once it's set, every new meeting you create will include an online meeting link by default. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and signing into your account. You can use the standard Outlook website URL, and once your inbox loads, we'll head straight to the setting we need. Look to the top right corner of Outlook and select the Settings gear icon. This opens the Settings pane on the right. If you see a compact, quick Settings panel, that's fine. Everything we need is there. Next, choose Calendar in the Settings area. This switches the panel from mail-related options to calendar options so we can adjust how new events behave. Within Calendar settings, find and select Events and Invitations. This section controls what Outlook adds to your events by default, like reminders, time zones, and importantly, online meeting details. It's the place that tells Outlook whether to automatically attach a virtual meeting to your invites. Now look for the option labeled Add Online Meeting to All Meetings and turn it on. Outlook saves this change automatically. From this point forward, when you create a new meeting, Outlook will insert an online meeting link for you without any extra clicks. If your account has access to Microsoft Teams, Outlook will use Teams as the meeting provider. In most organizations, this is the default behavior. If your organization manages meeting providers centrally, your admin settings may determine exactly which service is used. Here are a few practical notes. The change applies to new meetings you create after turning this on. Existing events won't be modified. If you don't want an online meeting for a specific appointment, you can simply remove it while composing that one event. Also, visuals may vary slightly depending on updates or whether you're using a work, school, or personal Microsoft account, but the calendar and events and invitations path is consistent in Outlook on the web. If you prefer the desktop Outlook app, look for a similar option in its calendar settings, though placement can vary by version. That's it. With one toggle, you've saved yourself a repetitive step and made it easier for invitees to join with a single click. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother scheduling with automatic Teams links in Outlook.